Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm starting on old crusty hair. I don't even remember when I recorded this, to be honest, but here are the remains of the style. I'll show the picture here, but right now I'm going to detangle with some water and some 3-minute Aussie Moist Miracle Detangling Conditioner. First I'm going to finger detangle, and then I'm going to go in with this brush that I got from Five Below just to get any more tangles out of my hair. And this brush works so well. It took about only 2 to 3 passes and my hair was thoroughly detangled. I could put my fingers straight through it. I don't remember the name of this brush, but it works. And while detangling, I found a raggedy little piece trying to hang on for dear life. No, you got to go. And again, I'm just detangling with water and working that conditioner in, finger detangling, and then detangling with the brush. After I section off my hair, it's time to get into the shower. So as with anything, less is more. So I'm going to be rinsing this out, sectioning off my hair, and using the Cream of Nature moisturizing detangling shampoo, whatever it's called, and applying it right onto my scalp. And this is to get the product off of my scalp first and working it down the ends of my hair, and then I go through with a second shampoo to actually cleanse my scalp and hair. And I prefer using moisturizing shampoos over regular shampoos for this because I don't want my hair to dry out too much. This is the second round of shampooing my hair, and as you can see, my fingers glide straight through from the root straight onto the ends. So this method works beautifully. As I finger detangle with the shampoo in my hair, I collect all of my work on the wall. I'm sure everyone has it. The wall of shame, the wall of tangles. It's all good, okay? We shed about 50 to 100 strands a day, and I think I had this style in for like a month, maybe longer, who knows? But we're getting our hair right today, okay? I don't know about y'all, but wash days are not hectic. They are not stressful for me. It's actually very therapeutic and relaxing just to refresh the scalp and my hair and watch my fingers glide through my hair right here. Butter, okay? That was butter. Now that I'm finished, I'm going to take a shower and then I'm going to deep condition with the OG hair mayonnaise, okay? A tip about using deep conditioner: you need to make sure that your hair is wet so the strands can soak up the product properly and you can get all the benefits from the deep conditioner. How you know your hair is well hydrated by water is that your hair will clump and you will see those curls popping, okay? And of course, keep your hair in sections, twist it, bend to knot it out of the way so you can make sure your strands get all that good moisture. And when I'm finished, I like to put extra product around the perimeter of my hair and my hairline because I'm hanging on to every last strand of edges that I got. I have postpartum shredding and breakage, so I'm not about to go bald, okay? And now I just wrap my hair up to do the greenhouse effect and go about my business. Now this is my least favorite part. Look at my face. This is my least favorite part, blow drying my hair. I use the tension method and I just really don't like blow drying my hair, but I'm not trying to have my ends snagging together because I decided to braid my hair back without stretching it properly first. So with all of that being said, I'm going in now to trim my ends, adding some product around the perimeter of the braids because I'm doing cornrows to put this braid cap on my head. You can get yours at adorn31beauty.com and live your best life with ease with these grace caps. I just throw it on and go. No hassle, no lace to put down, no mess. In this era of my life, I need ease, and for the girls that need it too, I got you. Adorn31beauty.com. Now, this hair oil concoction is one of my own, and I will be selling this hair oil soon. It's just in this temporary bottle, the Do Grow bottle. Now I just slap a do-rag on my head, put my grace cap on, and I am good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will definitely catch you in the next one.